Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to save over $800 on the brand new Google Pixel 9 line brand. So this just doesn't apply only to the XL or just to the Pro line, but to all of them. And it's going to be something interesting and you'll learn something new. I hope you stick around. But first, this is kind of cool. Stay tuned in. I'll show you more. So a little scenario. I thought I was gonna be turned back to normal, but it's still not working. As you can see, I've actually turned into something else different now. Okay, sorry about that. Much better. All right, guys. Sorry about that. That was a little bit weird, but I'm glad we got it worked out. So today we'll be talking about the Pixel 9 Pro XL line to be used as well too, not just one or the other, but both. Google has a trade-in policy that you could use and use it to your advantage. You can use that anywhere to trade in and get more money for your trade-in. So in my example, I actually have a Pixel 8 Pro, and I'm gonna be using that as a reference, and I'll be using the top tactic or the secret hack, whatever you want to call it, today in order to be able to save our maximum settings so that you could carry on that saving as well too. And I'll show you how. So we've all been here, right? The feeling when a shiny new phone drops in our wallets begs us to reconsider. But here's where things get interesting. Google wants your old phone and they're willing to pay big bucks for it, or at least give you an offer you can't refuse. Case in point, here's my Pixel 8 Pro box ready for a little makeover. Take this and take that. Scratchy, scratchy, 8 to 9. Boom. Now you got it. Boom. Now you got yourself a Pixel 9. Well, sort of. But we're not upgrading just today. We're about to hack this deal for maximum savings. Alright, so on to the whiteboard and scribbles with diagrams and some money math. Alright, so let's do some math here. Hypothetically, if a Pixel 9 Pro XL costs around $1,000 and we manage to knock off $800 with some careful planning, that's a pretty good serious deal. Alright, let's break down how we're going to unlock the savings without breaking the bank. Alright, so this is Past Ray checking out. Over to you, Future Ray.
Hey guys, it's Future Ray back here. So I wanted to start this portion of the video by just opening my regular Gmail. I'm gonna blur out a lot of the content, that way you don't see my email or anything, any sensitive information. But what we want to focus on is, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see that you have a link that counts the gigabytes of how much you have used and how much you have to be used, pending or overall. And so we'll go ahead and we'll click that, and that'll take us to the Google One subscription. So this is where the actual saving of money kicks in. As you can see, I have quite a bit of storage in mine, and I currently have the standard 200 gigabytes a month. I used to have the regular $199 a month, which was 100, but I switched it to 200 gigabytes for the sake of this video and to show that you can actually save a little bit more on your phone when you trade it in. So now that I have the $299, we can see here that the benefit of this is that we have 3% store, or 3% back to the Google Store. And this ties in back onto your Google account. So when you get your new phone, or when you put the phone to be ordered, it actually ties in back to your account, or it's credited, right? So all you need to do is sign up on here. And we also see that there's another plan. There's the premium 2 terabytes, which is $9.99 a month. I haven't subscribed to that, but as you can see here, it's feasible that if you do upgrade to this plan, which is $9.99 a month, you'll see that you can actually get 10% back in the Google Store. So if you have or sign up to this plan, you can actually get much more money back. So if you're trying this along, you'll be able to get more money back for your wallet. Which, if you do, let me know down in the comments. Like this video, and just share your experience. Once we have it selected, all we'll have to do is just go to the Google Store. So we'll go ahead and open the Google Store account. I'm gonna go ahead and select Pixel 9 Pro because that's what I'm interested in. Let me go ahead and buy. So for my preference, I'm gonna select the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Hazel. That's just my preference. And I'll select the regular 128 gigabytes. That's just my preference. We'll select unlocked. We'll get an estimate for our trade-in that we want to do. I currently have a Google Pixel 8 Pro at the 128 gigabyte, and I'll click yes. I have no cracks. Click the accept new value, and as you can see, I'll get around 699. So we'll add that trade-in. And for the sake of this video, we'll just leave everything as is. We'll go ahead and add to the cart. Go to the cart, and here we can see that we have the 150 off, which is the 150 for the Google One subscription, for just having a Google One subscription, and the 3% back, which is an estimated $28 from the 316 already, or from the 316 that's been deducted as well. So we're getting 3% back, and it'll be added 24 hours, it'll be added 24 hours to the account after it's shipped. And so just going to some of the specifics here. So something along the lines, I got this email on Halloween, October 31st, and this is what sparked me to get interested and to do this video that shows the $150 off when you try to purchase a Pixel 9. It means that you can have the cheapest Google One subscription and you'll still get 150. Although I kicked it up a notch to the $299 in order to be able to get 3% back. And you'll be emailed the promotion code, as you can see here, but that's already added as soon as I add it to my cart. And we can see here within the email, we see some informational screens here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Let's see if I can get this in a little bit. And 1 second. Okay, and now that I have it here, you can read this, and we can see that this expires on 14. This expires the 14th. Hit the 150, and this is applicable to all the Pixel 9 models. So you can freeze this if you need to, and you'll get an email similar to this, but as soon as you subscribe, you should be able to get something like this. All right, guys, I hope this part was helpful. And now back to you, Future Ray. Or actually, I'm sorry, I'm Future Ray. Past Ray, take it over.
Thank you, Future Ray. Now back to present Ray. It's like Google is practically airdropping cash by taking your old phone and turning it into discounts. No parachutes needed here. Or wait, do we? Here, take your Google phone back! Trust me, if you're this guy, or this guy, then every dollar counts. And with the trade-in, Google's got your back. And don't forget to make sure your Google One subscription is active for that extra rebate. Every little bit helps. Come on. We can relate. The economy and everything going on. Penny pincher like myself, come on. And there you have it. Just like that. We have just unlocked almost $800 in savings by stacking a trade-in, that extra rebate, and a few easy steps. Pretty sweet, right? This receipt right here shows that the satisfying final price is all you need. A trade-in, a Google One rebate, and a couple of quick clicks. Yeah. So if this video helped you uncover a deal, smash that like button, hit the subscribe for more insider tech tips and comments below. Make sure you like it and please subscribe. It's not that hard. Seriously, come on. 1 second click for this type of information. You got this. All right. Thank you guys. Again, it was a pleasure. I hope I was able to help. Ray out.